and then you lift it up one more, and it comes out. And I'm ready to mop. I'm going to show a spot over here that I had seen earlier that I wanted to get out. Oh, right here. So there's my spot that I'm going to go after. And there it goes, all gone. So really easy to use, great design. I really love the ease. Sorry, I see more and I just can't stop going after it. So this mop has been great. It's cost effective. It works awesome. I had to jump on here and show you all those great qualities. These are washable. Replace them about every 3 months, but like I said, it comes with a replaceable one, which is great. I'm going to try to demonstrate. It's easier to get these off when they're dry because you have to put this at 90 degrees, step on the dry part, and then they just pop right off over here like that. Voila! This new wet dry mop that I got from Amazon, and I wanted to show you all about it. The first thing that was great, it's really easy to put together. It just snaps together in 3 spots, 1, 2, 3. It comes with 2 heads, so one replaceable one. So they're really easy to detach and put on. They're microfiber, so they attract all the dust and stuff around your house. You can hear kids in the other room. I have a lot of kids. I have animals, so I mop all the time. So I love the dry, wet aspect of it. Today I'm going to show you the wet part because it's really cool how the mop bucket works. It's really quick, effective, and smart design. So come on down, you can see. I filled the water already in here to the water line. It will show you. And then the mop head, if you come in at a 90 degree, it attaches right in here and locks. So now it's in the bucket, and I unlock here, which is going to give me an up and down to increase the spinning. So if you come in close, you'll be able to see this. Right now I'm cleaning the mop head. And then you watch as I pick this up, the basket comes and locks in up top. And so then you do the same maneuver and you're drying it. Now it's out of the water above the water line and it's drying.